everybody, I have just spent the last 2 days at the Holistic Health and Beauty UK show at the NEC in Birmingham, and I've just discovered at the NEC, which is huge, like a huge place, it's like a little town, there is this beautiful nature reserve right in the middle of it. It's really stunning and peaceful. I never expected to find something like this at the NEC. So there you go, finding beautiful things in unexpected places. So obviously when they had permission to build the NEC back in the 80s, or whenever it was built, they had to somehow do some sort of environmental thing as well, which I think is really important. You know, if you're going to take a load of land and develop it into something, you need to also do something, put something back to maintain the wildlife, the ecosystem, because all these elements of wildlife and nature are really important. You know, even the tiniest little bugs that you cannot see, they're all important. They all play a part. For example, people never used to need to use pesticides long ago. There were certain bugs, like ladybugs and other bugs. I'm not a specialist in that, but those good bugs eat the bugs that eat all your crops and eat all your vegetables that you're trying to grow. So, you know, all these pesticides like glyphosate and all these awful Monsanto products are damaging the ecosystem. They're damaging all those bugs and insects that we need, because they all have a job to do in the ecosystem. Anyway, that was my little rant about pesticides. So I'm going to enjoy this and just walk. There's also an airport here and a railway station. So I'm just going back to the railway station and airport. It was a really great show. There were huge sections, big show. There was the beauty section, there was the nail section, there was a holistic health section, there was aesthetic section, so you know, lasers and dermal fillers and things like that. The holistic zone had things like remedies, aromatherapy oils, various other things, and meditation. And the hair zone, obviously, you know, also everything to do with hair. And the makeup, that was quite big because it was all makeup artistry as well. So there's a competition, and people, you know, makeup students and new makeup professionals would enter this competition. All sorts of like wacky, amazing costumes and historical costume people. I think Game of Thrones theme was quite popular. I saw quite a few models walking around looking like they were sort of from some sort of combo of Game of Thrones combined with, I don't know, some sort of, who knows, I don't know. I think I'm one of the only people on the planet to never have watched Game of Thrones. Sorry. Anyway, so, oh yes, it's okay. You can pass. Just blogging. It's so beautiful. Yeah. Enjoy. Yes. So, it's just a lovely family. Just wanted to know if they could walk past the selfie video vlog. Anyway, I think there are swans here and all sorts of beautiful things, mallards as well, and there are benches people can sit down and have a picnic. This is really nice. So over there we've got something called Resorts World. I think it's got casino and cinemas in it and restaurants and things like that. I've never been in it, so I don't know what's there. But so yeah, this is really nice. And my good friend Dr. Hannah Benson had a stand at the Holistic Health and Beauty UK show. She's wonderful. She's an amazing doctor, and she's got a website as well. It's called advancedbeauty.co.uk. So yeah, here we go. I will enjoy walking through the rest of this park. Bye!